questions of MSET 2023. The first question is, let x power n is equal to x into x minus h, x minus 2h, dash dash so on, x minus n minus 2h, x minus n minus h, where h is step size, then which of the following is correct? So we have some 4 options. We have to select what is the correct option. So here they have given x power n as some x into some multiple of x, so which gives the polynomial in x power n. So here xn is nothing but polynomial of degree n, polynomial of degree n with coefficient of x power n, coefficient of x power n as 1. So therefore we have a result delta power n of x power n if xn is a polynomial of degree n with the coefficient of xn as an, then that is an into h power n into n factorial, and delta power n plus 1 for the polynomial will be 0. So this is hold by option 1. Therefore delta power n of x power n x of n is equal to an h power n into n factorial, and delta power n plus 1 of xn will be equal to 0. So the correct option is option A. Next question, let f of x is equal to e power x, then delta power n of e raised to x will be equal to dash. So here options are e power x into bracket e raised to h minus 1 of power n, e raised to x into bracket e raised to x plus 1 of power n, and e raised to x and e raised to minus x. So we see, so this is nothing but nth forward difference of e raised to x. So here f of x will be e raised to x. We know that the first forward difference is f of x plus h minus f of x minus f of x. So if suppose we are having f of x as e raised to x, this is equal to e raised to x plus h minus e raised to x. So taking e power x common, this is e raised to h minus 1. So for second, delta square of e raised to x will be equal to, so delta of e raised to x, e raised to h minus 1. So we are not having any x term e raised to h 1, we can take it as outside. So this will be e raised to x plus h minus e raised to x. So again taking e raised to x common, this is e raised to x into e raised to h minus 1. This will be e raised to x into e raised to h minus 1 whole square for second divided difference, second forward difference of e raised to x. For third, delta cube of e raised to x will be equal to delta of the second e raised to x into e raised to h minus 1 whole square. So again e raised to h minus 1 whole square is not having any terms in x, therefore we can take it out, delta of e raised to x. So this is e raised to h minus 1 whole square, delta of e raised to x is e raised to x plus x minus e raised to x. So this is e raised to x h minus 1 whole square into taking e raised to x common, e raised to h minus 1. So here it is e raised to x into e raised to h minus 1 whole cube for third difference of e raised to x. So for the nth forward difference of e raised to x we have, so continuing and so on, we have delta power n of e raised to x will be, for third it is having power 3, this is for n it is having a power n, e raised to x into e raised to h minus 1 power n. Therefore correct option is option A. Next question, the relation to solve x is equal to e raised to minus x using Newton-Raphson method is. So they ask the relation for solving x is equal to e raised to minus x using Newton-Raphson method. We know that the iterative formula for Newton-Raphson method, what is that? So that is x plus xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus f of xn divided by f dash of xn. Here we have f of x is equal to, we have x is equal to e raised to minus x, we can write it x minus e raised to minus x is equal to 0. Therefore we have f of x is equal to x minus e raised to minus x. So f dash of x will be 1 plus e raised to minus x. Therefore xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus f of xn is xn minus e raised to minus xn divided by 1 plus e raised to minus xn. So this will be xn plus xn into e raised to minus xn plus e raised to minus xn divided by 1 plus e raised to minus xn. So this will cancels. So we can take e raised to minus xn common, xn plus 1 divided by 1 plus e raised to minus xn. Therefore xn plus 1 is equal to xn plus 1 into bracket e raised to minus xn divided by 1 plus e raised to minus xn. So this agrees with option A. Therefore correct option is option A. Next question, the value of delta power phi of 1 minus x into 1 minus x square into 1 plus x square is, options are 5 factorial, 0, 1 and 5. So consider delta power phi of 1 minus x, 1 minus x square, 1 plus x square. So we can simplify it as 1 minus x square minus x plus x cube, 1 plus x square, delta power 5 of 1 plus x square minus x square plus minus x power 4 minus x cube plus x power 5, delta power 5 of x power 5 minus x power 4, x cube cancels, x square cancels, minus x plus 1. So this is a polynomial of degree 5. So if suppose polynomial of degree, we have an into h raised to n into n factorial for polynomial, for nth power difference of the polynomial. So here n is 1 and h power n into n factorial is n is 5. This is 5 factorial. This is h raised to n into 5 factorial. For h is equal to 1 we have, this is 5 factorial. Therefore delta power 5 of 1 minus x square, 1 plus x square plus for h is equal to 1 will be 5 factorial. Therefore option A is the correct option.